Hindi namin bet na manggalaiti ang mga ibang fandom, kaya in the spirit of fairness, pag-uusapan namin ito. Ito po si Alvin Ignacio, the Diva That You Love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hello, this is Alex
Talaga yung
Brosas.
hello, may pagbabanta ka agad.
Ano?
Sabi ko
Nag-hello
nga,
lang ako ah.
in the spirit of fairness, babasahin po namin ang opisyal na pahayag ni Vilma Santos na kanyang ibinahagi sa isang entertainment portal. Dahil nga, alam nyo na, diba? Talagang mabenta lalo sa bashing ang Star for All Seasons. Diba? Ito ang kanyang official statement. Happy Holidays! Sila ay ang mga basher. Hindi mamamayang Pilipino. Utang na loob ko ang buhay ko at kung
Kung saan ako
saan
ngayon.
ako ngayon sa mamamayang Pilipino. Hanggang sa huling hinanga ko,
Kilala niyo
niyo
ako.
ako. Salamat. So, maliban dito, meron ring mahabang pahayag ang opisina niya bilang gobernadora na sinasabing ang pinalabas sa social media ay splice video. So, sa akin lang muna, bago ka mag-react. Ate V. Ang mga basher na kinasabi mo ay kapwa Pilipino mo rin.
Yeah, very.
Number 2, hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin na itong mga basher mo ay hindi mo naging butante at hindi ka sinuportahan sa lahat ng iyong mga pelikula at sa iyong government career. Dahil wala ka namang hawak na figures or names na makasabing, to basher to hindi to basher, to basher to hindi basher. 3. The statement came crystal at nanggaling talaga yon sa pananalita mo at sa pahayag mo. Hindi ka panipaniwala na sasabihin mo sa amin ngayon na ito ay para sa mga basher lamang. Dapat, nung nagsasalita ka pa lang noon, sinabi mo na, ito para sa mga basher ko. Para kwentas klaras ang lahat.
Yeah.
At pang-apat, napaka-lame nung excuse ng office mo na kinasabing, splice yung video. Panahon pa ho nang nagsisimula pa lang po ang social media, ganyan na ang mga drama ng mga nagpapalusot. Pag huli ka balbon na. Ako ina lang. Diba? Huwag nang ilihis pa sa kung saan-saan. Yun lang ang sa akin. Mare, what say you?
Alam mo kasi, when you claim that that is a splice video,
Hindi siya ang nag-claim, staff
o
niya.
yung staff niya, di ba? O
Mm.
whatever. Your office is claiming, di ba? You show proof. Dapat may distinction. Ito po yung original video.
Mhm.
Ito po yung splice video.
Tapos,
You
pinunto-
give the people,
the chance to compare and contrast.
oo, di ba? That you give the people the chance to prove your point.
Mhm.
Di ba? Kasi ganun yun eh.
Okay.
You were pangalawa. There was no denial naman eh.
Mhm.
Na hindi mo sinabi eh.
Hindi niya tinanggi.
Oo, there was no denial, di ba?
Mhm.
So, admittedly, the words which you uttered were true.
Mhm.
Nanggaling talaga sa'yo.
Mhm.
So, why not make an apology, a public one, where you are the ones talking?
Mhm.
Kasi, you have to address the issue publicly kasi it was made public. That was a public outburst of your emotions against bashers who continue to relentlessly bash you, your son, and your husband.
Mhm.
Di ba? At tama ka. Dapat sinabi niya na this is for the bashers only.
Mhm.
So dapat binigyan mo ng exclusivity.
Mhm.
Di ba? Kasi what you did was a general statement, di ba?
Mhm.
Na talagang ang dating, ang interpretation is you were looking downward on the people in the
Mhm.
in the baba, di ba?
Mhm.
Another point. That was a public interview.
Mhm.
Public interview ba 'to?
Yes,
Oo.
public press con.
It's a press con, 'di ba?
Mm.
Dapat kasi, you being in show business for how long?
Mhm.
50 years, 'di ba? Parang
Mhm.
gano'n,
More
o more
than.
than 60 years, gano'n. Dapat alam mo na dapat yung moderator ng ano,
Kung sino man ang publicist mo dun.
oo, dapat finilter yung question.
Mhm. No questions on this or that.
Oo,
Okay.
pero siguro kasi, they thought na alam mo how to parry off those questions that align
Mhm.
to something,
Oo.
to controversial.
Yeah. With how many years you're already in the
Oo,
show business.
kaya inallow yung questions about,
Mhm.
I think bashers, 'di ba? What is
Mm.
your what is your idea of
Actually, the question really is pertaining to the bashers
Oh,
of her husband
oo.
and her son.
Oo, gano'n. But apparently, no offense meant, whoever is in your staff miscalculated
Mhm.
you. They never thought na you are capable of saying things like what you said.
Oh, parang they did not, the staff did
They
not
didn't see it
expect
coming.
na it was an emotional trigger for her.
Oo,
Kaya naging emotional yung sagot niya.
oo. Ngayon, you were saying na it is not for bashers. But the
It's not for,
interpretation,
parang, it's not for everyone in general.
it's for bashers
It's for bashers.
exclusive.
Yung sabi niya doon
Oo,
sa
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 statement,
sa,
recent
sa
statement niya.
statement niya doon sa entertainment portal.
But the harm has been done.
Mhm.
Ang interpretation ng public, which you cannot go against, kasi may nakita silang ebidensya
Ang laki-laki
eh.
ng resibo.
Oo, the resibo was di ba?
To your
Was
face.
slammed to their faces,
Oo.
to their collective faces. So anong mo? What you are doing now is you're making palusot.
Damage
Yun ang
control.
dating.
Damage control.
Oo. Di ba yun ang dating?
And she has the right naman to make palusot and do
Mm-mm.
damage control. Pero sa akin, Vilma, less talk, lesser mistakes. Naglabas na ng official statement ang ano mo, ang opisina mo.
Mm-mm.
Kung hindi pinaniwalaan ng tao yon, tumahimik ka na lang. Hindi. I'm sure kinulit-kulit ka nung mga reporter na yon, kaya nagbigay ka na naman ng statement.
Tsaka hindi eh. Kasi dapat yon, you being brave in saying that, dapat you are expected na magsalita ka to explain your side na yung naka-video, di ba? Para kwentas klaras.
Mhm.
Hindi. Inano mo yung to do the clarification. Pinasa mo sa
Opisina mo.
opisina mo, di ba? Or sa PIO mo, di ba?
Mm.
Ganon. PIO ba tawag doon?
Public Information Officer.
Oo, di ba?
PIO mo.
Yung ganon. Eto kasi, alam mo, eto napapansin ko, ha?
Mm.
Kaya ako, I will never vote for somebody na walang
Mhm.
walang tapang, walang Alam mo kung bakit? Ito nare-realize ko, ha? You elect somebody,
Mm.
tapos nakagawa ng kapalpakan.
Mhm.
Hindi yan magsasalita.
Mm.
Ibang magsasalita for her or for him.
Mm.
Di ba?
Well, so that's a common practice of all
Kaya
politicians.
nga, di ba parang, bakit? Can you not articulate yourself and defend yourself?
Mm.
Di ba? Saan kayo pumupulot ng
Mm.
Di ba? Nakakaloka.
Kasi nga raw yung nag-articulate ng kanyang mga sarili, nakukulong sa dahig.
Ganon? Hindi naman. Bakit di ba, may senador na talagang super articulate, you cannot Di ba?
You cannot what?
You cannot defend yourself to her.
She's
Diba?
dead.
Oo nga, kaya nga. Dapat ganon.
Diba?
Di ba? I mean, why?
She's dead and she's overrated.
Ganon?
Yes.
Eh,
In my
ako-
book.
Ako,
In my book
ako sa
po yun,
kanya,
ha?
talagang siya. That's
Because
a standard.
that person, di ba, di ba, there was this very, very big incident before na kinabi niya, I will jump the helicopter. Chu. Ang next reaction niya, I lied. And then she laughed like this. Like, she laughed like a hyena. So, with that kind of response, why should I trust that person? Diba?
Pero at
She
least
lies to her teeth.
At least she's intelligent enough, di
She's
ba?
intelligent enough,
Oo.
but she was also a liar. And also, I remember the fact that people do not know, he was one of the instigators of EDSA Tres. He was there at the rally together with other people. So, going back to Ate V, quiet ka na lang. Shut up.
Mm.
'di ba? Para 'yun, mas tahimik ang buhay mo.
Tsaka less talk, less mistake, sabi nila, di
Yes,
ba?
yes, 'di
Mm.
ba? And on that note, ang sweet namin, 'di ba? This is Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love, together with Prisma Kamaring Ultra Maldita,
Hello, this is Alex Brosas.
and you are watching Reality Show, the Rayana Talakayan Showbiz Edition.